Greetings to every one of you. So in this video we are going to discuss another very important concept from machine learning, that is KNN algorithm. KNN stands for K nearest neighbor. It is a supervised machine learning algorithm for classification and regression task. Let us see the various steps of this algorithm. First of all, we have to choose the number of neighbors k, preferably a odd number. Second step, calculate the distance using Euclidean distance formula. D is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. After calculating the distances, we have to sort the calculated distances in the ascending order. Step number 4, select the top k number of neighbors. As already I said, preferably it should be odd number. If it is an even number, that will lead to confusion, that if you get both the values, if it belongs to the same classification, there is no problem. If one value belongs to one particular class and another value belongs to some other class, then it will be a problem for us. So select the top k number of neighbors. Finally, output the predicted class or the value. For classification, we have to count the highest count or the vote among the KNN. For regression, we have to take the average value of this KNN values. Let us see how this algorithm works with the help of this example. Here the fruit classification data, it is given, which contain 3 columns. One is the class of fruit, the second one is weight of the fruit, the third one is color. So depends upon the weight and color, we have to find out what type of fruit it is. What is the classification of the fruit? So the problem is we have to find out the class of fruit with the given weight, that is weight is equal to 155 grams and the color is equal to 1. So here we have the data set with 6 data points. So the first one, that is 150 comma 1, we have to calculate the distance. Consider this is x2 y2. Now substitute these values in the equation, the formula x2 minus x1. So what is the value of x2? It is 155. What is the value of this x1? x1 is 150 whole square plus y2, it is 1 and y1 is 1 whole square. If you calculate, you will get the value, that is 5. So similarly, the next value, it is 155 minus 160 whole square. Then it is 1 minus, this is also 1 square. This is also equal to, that is 5. So similarly, for the third one, the first banana, this is first apple, second apple, this is first banana. So it is 155 minus 120 whole square. Similarly, this is 1 minus 2 whole square. So this value, it is equal to 35.01. Similarly, the second banana, it is 155 minus 130 whole square plus 1 minus, it is 2 whole square, which is equal to 25.01. The first pair, square root of 155 minus 170 whole square plus 1 minus 0 whole square, which is equal to 15.03. So in the second pair, it is 155 minus 180 whole square plus this is 1 minus 0 whole square. This is equal to 25.01. So these are the distances just we calculated using the Euclidean distance formula. Now the next step we have to, that is sort these values in the ascending order. If you sort these values, it will be in the order 5, then 5, then 15.3, then 25.01, then again 25.01, then finally we will have 35.05. So actually this 5 represent this is apple and this is also apple, and this 15.3 which represent the pear. 15.3 is it is pear, first pear. Similarly this 25.01 it is banana, and another 25.01 that is pear. So then 35 sorry, not one, another banana. Okay, let us consider if this k value, our k value it is 3. Okay, you can consider any value. If you consider 1 or 3 or 5, okay, if it is an odd value, it is easy for get our votes. Okay, so selecting this the classification based on the voting, we have to count the number of the nearest k values. Okay, so consider if k is equal to 3, then we have to consider this the first 3 values. So if we consider 3 values, so which one got the maximum count? So the apple got maximum count. So the given data, it belongs to the fruit classification, that is apple. Okay, suppose if you use this value, that is if it is equal to 1, we have to consider the first value, that's all. So that is also apple. Okay, so this is how we can get the classification. You have to count the highest KNN values. Okay, so we have if it is k is equal to 3, we have to consider the first 3 data in which the 2 are representing the apple. So the given data, it belongs to that particular classification. So this is also, this must be an apple. So this is the conclusion. I think you understood the concept. So in this video I explained what is KNN algorithm and explain this the various steps of algorithm, and also I explain how this whole algorithm works with the help of this example. Keep watching. Thank you.